Hey guys, running Kimono, and today we are going to be opening a decades-old Palmolive bar soap. This is from the 1970s, and how you can tell, there is no UPC on the packaging. I bought this off of eBay for just under 10 bucks. Really curious about this. This is one that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. It was a pack of 3 for $1, so like 33 cents a piece. There is no UPC on the Dollar Tree one because it was on outside of the larger packaging, but the one on the top is the new one, and the one on the bottom is from the 70s. And I had acquired both of these in December. I was not out today looking for bar soap, just to note that, because I'm in home quarantine. So here is the 1970s special, and we are going to just do a quick unboxing of this guy, or unpackaging of this guy, and still in really good shape, whoever had this bar of soap. Now, Mr. Kimono was helping me video this, so if you hear him in the background, but there it is. And it still looks like it's in really good shape. And what I realized was like, wow, that is a really sizable bar of soap. They're usually a little smaller, giving it a little bit of a sniff there. It didn't really have much of a scent at all, and quite a large bar of soap. So there it is. And now I'm going to be unboxing the newer Palmolive bar soap that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to be surprised here in a quick second. What a difference. You did get a lot more in the 70s than today. Look at that. Cheating everybody out of everything. Like, that's a big difference. That's crazy. Okay.
Okay.
Ooh. This one's like butter. Look at that. Okay guys, so when we did cut them in half, the 1970s bar soap, like the scent just started to really fill up the room, and it smelled a lot like men's deodorant for whatever reason. But here they are. As you can see, the newer bar, it just cut like butter. It looks like newer soap, and yeah, it looks like, if you ever cut open a bar soap. And this is really like just chalky, and it's going to be very interesting here when I wash my hands with them in a second. But what a huge difference 50 years makes. Like, I am mind blown. This is wow. No suds. Oh my goodness, there's no suds. Try to literally lather this. Maybe slow down the water. Ooh, that is hot. Hot stuff. Okay, I feel a little bit of a lather. This really smells like men's deodorant. Barely lather. Does it? It really does. It has that odor, doesn't it? Let's try to just... Very small lather. Already a lot more suds in the newer one. What a difference. Okay guys, there you have it. Bar soap from the 1970s and a newer one. What a difference when you cut them open and test them side by side. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.